New unit of study, we're looking at rational functions. We're graphing them this week. We need to graph f of x is negative reflection 4 vertical stretch over x minus 2 vertical asymptote plus 3 horizontal asymptote. So f of x is equal to negative 4 over x minus 2 plus 3. Identify the holes and the asymptotes. Well, this equation's in standard form, so there are no holes. We're not looking at holes, but we do have asymptotes. Remember, there's 2 of them. We have one in the denominator that makes the denominator undefined, and we have the shift vertically here with the plus 3. So our asymptotes, excuse me, I have a cold. Our asymptotes are where x minus 2 would be 0. You can't have 0 in the denominator. Well, that's where x is equal to positive 2. So x equals positive 2 is one of our asymptotes. That's a vertical line. Remember your asymptote. See if I can draw it. Try and make it dotted. There's your x equals 2 vertical asymptote. Then that shift up 3 gives us a horizontal asymptote, y equals 3. Horizontal line where y is equal to 3. So there's our 2 asymptotes. Remember, if this equation is in standard form, that's graphing form, then we also know that the parent function between these asymptotes would be right 1, up 1, put a point right there, and would be left 1, down 1, put a point right there, drawing them up and down to the asymptotes on both of those corners. But because we have 2 things going on, we have a reflection. That means anything that's up here is now reflected down there, and anything that was down here is now reflected up here. So now our new function will be up quadrant 3-ish, and down here like quadrant 4, or I'm sorry, this is 2, and that's 4. But we also have a vertical stretch of 4. So let's put that in. If my normal point is right 1, up 1, it reflects and is now right 1, down 1, but is a vertical stretch of 4, then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and put a point. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the point for this function. And if normally you would go left 1, down 1 to put a point on the function, it's going to reflect up here, left 1, up 1, and then up 2, 3, 4 for your new point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. Then we draw the function in to the asymptotes. Oops, connect those, and draw arrows. And we're done.